Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 41. The grades of 36 students in a class test are as shown in the pie chart above, which is the pie chart. How many students have excellence? Now this is the grade of these students. Now as shown above. Now looking at it, the grade of 36 students. The number of students in the class are 36. Now we are asked to find what the number of students that have excellence. Number of students that has excellence. Now looking at this, those that has credits is 80 degree. Those with pass is 120 degree. Now number of students with very good. Looking at this very good is what is 90 degree, because this is a what? This is a right angle. If you look at this very good here now, it is a right angle. This is a right angle, which is 90 degree. So now the degree of those that had excellence is equals to the total, which is 360 degree, minus 120 degree plus 80 degree plus 90 degree. This 180 degree here stands for those that passed, 80 stands for those that had credits, and 90 is for those that had what? Very good. You can see this, I told that this is a right angle. Now this is equals to 70 degree. Now the number of those that had what? That had excellence. Number of students with excellence will be equal to 70 degree over 360 multiplied by the total number of students, which is 36. Now this will be equal to 0 here will cancel 0, 36 will cancel 36, and that is equal to 7 students. So the number of students that had excellence is 7, and that is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.